Hi, I'm Kirly-Sue, and today I'm going to be making for you vegan mayonnaise. Now, I had seen people make it before, but I thought it was going to be something really complicated. And then when I looked into making it, I thought, actually, this is really simple. So here we are, vegan mayonnaise. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click and subscribe so you see more videos just like this one. And please comment in the comment section below what sort of things do you put in your vegan mayonnaise when you're making it. Or if there's any other videos you want me to make, please comment in the comment section below and I will see what I can do to add it to my list of the ton of different recipes that I'm making. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.